So today, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to upgrade your Rambo bike. So the first thing to do is scroll all the way to the top, and we're gonna click on the All E-Bikes tab. This is where we'll pick which bike we wanna order, and for today, I think I'm gonna stick with the Rambo Classic. Let's go with the Rebel 2.0 here. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the OD Green version for now. But what we wanna look at is this tab right here on the right called Customize Your Ride. If you drop that down, you'll see all of the accessories and all the upgrades that you can add to your Rambo bike. So for today, let's go ahead, let's add on an upgraded seat just to give us a little bit more comfort. You can even click on the View More. This will give you a bigger picture and a quick description of what the accessory is. So let's go ahead and add that upgrade. And I mean, if we're gonna get the upgrade seat, we might as well get the upgraded seat post as well, because this is really gonna maximize our comfort. So let's go ahead and add that upgrade as well. And let's add one more for today. We have the upgraded pedals. So let's go ahead and add those as well. And once you have everything selected, you can go ahead and click add to cart. That's gonna add everything all at once. And you can add a protection if you like, which why not? You know, it doesn't hurt to have just in case. After you have everything selected, you can scroll up, click on the cart here. So once you're in your cart, you can scroll down and take a look just to double check everything. So we do have our Rebel 2.0 here, and it looks like this one comes with a free gift bag, so that's pretty cool. So if we scroll down, we can check more. So we have our upgraded pedals, our seat post along with our seat. Everything looks to go, and if that's good, you can go ahead and just finish it by checking out. After upgrading, all that's left to do is get it ready for shipping. So the first thing we're gonna upgrade is that seat post along with the seat. So once we pull out the old seat post and the seat, we can go ahead and just toss it off to the side because we don't need that anymore. Then we're gonna grab the upgraded Cloud9 Airflow saddle seat along with the upgraded suspension seat post. This is definitely gonna add comfort to our ride. With both of these combined, it's gonna make it a lot more cushiony and overall are gonna give us just a better ride experience on the trails. So now we have those added to the Rebel 2.0, and so far it's already looking more slick and it's gonna be a much more fun ride. But we have one more accessory that we still need to add to the bike, and that is the upgraded pedals. So once again, we're gonna go ahead and take the old ones off and just toss them to the side because we don't need those ones anymore either. So the big upgrade on these pedals is they have a much higher gripping traction to keep your feet in place, especially when you're riding in more difficult situations like snow, mud, or rugged terrain. So once we finish up adding these pedals to the bike, it is finished, it's complete, and already just by looking at it, it is once again looking super slick, and this is gonna improve your ride, especially again if you're riding on that really rugged terrain. And it's that easy, guys. All you have to do is click and add any upgrades you want to your Rambo bike and ship straight to you.